Let's eat sati guys. Ayan, ito pala yung sati na very famous dito sa Zamboanga City. Ayan, this is served with very spicy sauce. And ayan, kung makikita nyo, may mga barbecue sa stick. Yan po ay beef barbecue. Ayan, meron din yung chicken and atay sa manok. And also served with rice. Ayan, may kanin na parang sticky siya na kanin. Ayan, sobrang sarap nito guys. Perfect sa umaga. Yung lasa ng sauce niya is parang yung spaghetti sauce. Sweet and spicy siya. Ganun yung lasa niya. Ayan, sobrang nakakatakam. Ayan, bumili kami ng sate kasi nag-crave ako nito guys. Ayan. And ayan yung kanin. And kaya sobrang perfect to for breakfast. Ayan, mas masarap pag mainit. Ayan. Ayan, tara, let's eat guys. Kain po tayo. Sati-sati tayo dyan. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. And please don't forget to like and follow. Thank you.